Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about interpretation. So we can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tanx. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Now we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, that is from here. So I will put this one on here to find the value of u. So u equals to number 0. When s equals to b over 4, so I will put this one on here, and u equals to number 1. So number 0 we keep the same, b over 4 that is about number 1. This one that is about u. This one that is about du. The interpretation of number 1 that is about u. The next one is to the power of u. So we put the powers in here. So we have the final answer. So this one that is about number 1. 1 minus 1 cancel. So we just have this one left. And that is about e.